we made workflow rule here. It's done, and rule is completed, and we are making action now. So
Mm-hmm.
our action is just click on this action, and here field update already is there. Field update already is there, and we can see what is the field update here. No, candidate is not eligible for promotion. Okay, just make it this one for promotion as well. If it is greater than 5 years, then only they'll be having promotion eligibility.
Mm-hmm.
And now I'm making another action call as new email alert. So I'm just clicking on it. So here description we can give it as same thing, rejection mail for PSO placement, and unique name automatically take it, and here it is. It is asking email template. So if you click on this search button, we need to get our mail. See here, reject mail for USA placement. It is coming. In case if you save this one in my document, it will not come. So that time again you need to select for my documents. As of now, my documents there is no file, so that's the reason it's not displaying it. So I'm just clicking on it, rejected mail, and protected component. Currently, I'm not using this. I'll tell you when it is required. And recipient type, to whom we need to share this, account owner, our case team, our creator, email field, to whom we need to share. Any guesses? Vijay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So here, recipient type, to whom we need to give, what we need to give, to account owner, our case team, our creator, our email field. Let me share this. See, this is the record.
Okay.
Okay. So here, if it is expenses more than 5 years, and salary and they want to go for USA country, that time
Yes.
this eligible promotion has to filled. That's what we gave now. So it is
Yes.
not related technology and
Mm.
salary. So it is
Okay.
related just experience and country name.
Okay.
Okay, that time it has to come. It has to fill up. Okay, and
Yes.
now coming to mail content, to whom we need to share this mail content?
Employees?
Employees.
Yes.
Okay, so if it is employees, what is the field update has to come here?
User?
How user will come? That means
Sorry,
here.
email field.
Yes, exactly. So here, click on email field, and if you click on email field here, email field employee of email will come. So same here it is coming, employee of email. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just adding this, and here not only the employee of email, we can add CC to 5 more people. So can
Okay.
I have your email ID?
Lucky Mukuri,
Can you spell it? Is that
MOPURI.
correct?
Yeah, yeah, is it correct? It's correct. At gmail.com.
And from email address, current email address I'm giving, make this address default from email address for all the objects email address. I'm just giving tick mark here, and I'm saving this. That means in same workflow road we have made two actions. So
Yes.
criteria is the same. Criteria is the same, but actions will work for actions will do two actions. One
Two
is a field update and email alert. Now we can see either it will work or not.
employees. Employees list.
So here employee name.
New one or we are filling the
No,
new
new one I am
employees.
giving. New one I am giving.
Okay. These rules are works for old employees also, only for new employees after the creation
Once
the.
after the creation, then only it will be applicable for the records. It won't be applicable for previous records.
Oh, okay. After that, we have to create everyone again.
Yes,
Oh,
I am giving 3 years and technology.
company.
Yes, now fill update is working because we
Yeah,
gave greater than 5 years.
iOS.
And technology we haven't give, country name is USA. Now when fill update is working, email alert is working or not. Can you please check your email, because not only for this email, generally that mail content will go to this email
Okay.
as per workflow rule. But we have
Got
added
it.
two more emails.
Yeah, I got it, sir. You are not selected.
Yeah, you got it
You're the
right.
year placement. Yeah, as you're having the only years of experience with the technology, we will connect you to once you are eligible. Once you are eligible.
Okay, so I'm just deleting this one again. So have you find out any mistake in this email content?
When we are creating only, we gave the USA,
Okay,
right?
okay,
When we are filling the employee details,
okay,
we gave the USA name,
okay.
right?
Yes. Apart from
But
that,
apart from that, hmm, no idea, sir.
can you please share your screen? Can you show me
Okay.
that mail?
Mhm. Are you able to see, sir?
Yes, yes. So in this mail, have you find out any mistake?
I think the employee name.
Exactly, perfect. Next.
Next, it came to me and another person also. The whoever is not selected, the email
No, I'm
addresses.
not getting you. So this is default mail content. So not
Okay.
only for this particular user, for all users, they'll be getting same email. Hi team, you are not
Yes.
selected.
Yes.
So here again your client came back and he asked, so he need personalized email.
Yes. It
So
everybody they can see who are not selected.
yes. So that time we need to change our mail content again.
Okay.
So just give me a minute. I am sharing my screen. So for this, again just go back to classic email template.
Mm-hmm. Email template.
So here it is. Just click on
Rejected.
edit.
Hmm?
See here, we'll be getting this mail content.
Yes.
Okay, subject we can change here.
Subject is okay, right? But the mistake is whoever not selecting
Yes, yes,
that people only they can see that email.
yes, yes. All the people will not see this.
Yeah.
So here, in case if we want to make it for personalized email, we can change
Mhm.
here. See, what is the
Yeah.
object we need to check? Contact fields.
In
Okay.
on cart field.
No, no, no. Contact field something.
Okay.
Contact field. Selected field will be
Okay.
first name. Also here, what is the name of first is coming? Employee name. So employee name we need to check here.
Yeah. Email. Okay.
1 minute. So employees list fields. So this is the employees list object, right? So first select here object name and next
Mhm.
come to field here. So employee name. Once you select object name and field name, in company image field value will come here. So just copy this and paste here. And same thing here you can do it. You're just pasting value. We did the same
Yeah.
in process, sorry, not process, flows we have done it. You might have not remember. In flows also we have done the same. Once I shared the video, you please check it.
Sure.
Okay. And here what they're saying, hi, so and so, you are not selected for the USA placement as you are having only years of experience. So years of experience in the sense, again we need to go back to field and here experience in a year and just copy this and here we are having only,
There.
here you can
Paste.
paste it.
Mhm.
Years of experience with technology and here just type as technology and copy this and with technology we will contact
Okay.
you
But
once you are
but
ready.
we didn't mention any technology, right?
That's what we are not mentioning anything, we are just taking the value. So whichever
Okay.
you are updating in that particular field, that value will taking into the mail content.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Got it? So
Yeah.
now I'm saving this. It's done now. So
Okay.
now again I'm going back to mail content and here I'm updating it. So I'm editing this. So not I'm sorry, not this one.
What's a promotional
I'm
email
editing email alert.
alert?
So here I'm just giving refresh because just now I have saved it. I have saved it, right.
Mm-hmm.
So and again I'm doing this. Save.
Okay.
Done. Now
Yes. Yes. Oh. Email eligible.
So eligible for promotion is not coming. Why?
Mhm. It goes to email ID, right?
Hmm. No, it has to come for this one also, right?
Yes. When we are creating the, we didn't select the
Less than
field.
or equal to 5 years and USA. So here it is not less than 5 years.
So more than 5 years.
Hmm. So
No, the candidate is not eligible for the promotion. Now it came.
now got the mail.
Mm, yeah,
Have you
but
seen personalized email content over there?
personal is the email content there. The years of experience is there, but the email IDs, whoever not selected, they came along with this email.
Sorry, I'm not getting you.
It came to me and Chris and Ram and everybody. They can see the CC.
This is. Can you please share your screen? I'm not getting you what you are trying to say.
I'm
Okay.
talking about that one.
I didn't get your question exactly.
This is the personal email, right?
Yes.
That it comes to me only, right?
No, no, 1 minute. Here, our criteria is uh, remaining these two people will be management category. I mean, apart from user, remaining two people will be management category. What they thought is not only employee, they have to know, right? Whoever rejected.
Oh, okay. Okay, got it.
So
Got it. Got it.
that is the reason we make that two email IDs into carbon copies like BCC they
Yes,
have
yes,
sent.
yes. Okay.
And one more,
So,
in case if we are not adding these two emails, how can we find out
mhm.
either this email content is working or not?
Okay. I
So
think only one any admin or there, then they can send the emails.
yes, only sender can see the mail. So
Okay.
apart from this, now if you follow this email content, not only the user, not only the sender, remaining people also, I mean, whichever related to this particular
Persons.
content, they can see the mail.
Okay. Okay, got it, sir.
Okay, so this is email alert, that to personalized email content.
Okay.
Okay, and next one. So any doubts as of now here?
No, sir.
Only this one criteria I need to check once again. Sorry, I haven't shared 1 minute.
Yeah.
So email alert, fill update we have done. Outbound message, I'll tell you how outbound message will work. And one more thing is task update. Okay, so let me show one thing. Okay, let me explain in a small story. So just think in one organization, they're conducting the interviews same as we just now as we saw for employee list. Okay, so what they have done is they have conducted the interviews. Okay, and their eligible criteria is something, and once it is meeting their criteria, they'll be selecting the employees or else they are sending out of the organization. See, in this criteria, how they are doing it, just think. In one organization they are conducting the interviews.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just think, interviews, and eligible criteria is
More than 5 years.
okay. Just think, 5 years, 5 years, and UK placement. Okay, once
Mm-hmm.
this is meeting, then they'll be getting one email ID that they are
Yes.
selected.
If it's not made, rejected.
1 minute. Okay, in case it is not meeting, okay, in
Okay.
case it is not meeting that particular criteria,
Rejected email.
they'll be getting rejected email. They'll be getting rejected email, and same way, rejected email. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and same way, whenever they are coming for the interview, they used to send the documents, right? So like their experience letter or
Resume.
their educational qualification letters, etc., etc.
Mm-hmm.
So once they are rejected for this criteria, this particular company has to return back to the documents to the employees, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just think, one person came to the interview, and they have gave all the documents to the receptionist, and they have attended the interview with HR, and again they came back. So once they selected, they'll go into the next room, and if they are not selected, they'll be getting mail. And not only a mail, a rejected mail, they need to get the documents, right? So where they need
When
to,
we go for the in person.
I'm sorry, yes, yes. So receiving the documents is one department, and collecting the documents is another department.
Mm-hmm.
So now once they're rejected here, those documents will go to some other place. So from there they need to get the documents, right? So for these documents, what they have done is they will not give the documents in the same day. So they'll collect all the rejected documents and they'll give one particular day.
Okay.
Okay.
Time period.
So from Monday to Saturday, whomever rejected those interviews, for them they'll give the documents on Saturday. So Monday to Friday is the window timeline for the interviews, and Saturday will be the timeline for to giving back the documents to the employees. This is what their task.
Okay.
Okay, so in this way, uh, just now you have seen how to create workflow rule, right? So can you please guide me how can I do this task?
Okay.
So here again, please guide me how can I do workflow rule here? Setup,
Mm-hmm.
workflow rule, and here edit, criteria will be the same. So here actions will be getting it. So email
Yes.
alert completed, field update completed. Now we are doing task update.
Task. Okay.
1 minute. So there are four actions in workflow rule. What is sequence for the actions? Field update, task, email alert, outbound message. Only these four actions will be done in workflow rule. So we have done with the field update and email alert. Now we are discussing about task. So task in the sense, what do you mean by task in your own opinion?
Task means what we have to finish.
Okay,
The if anybody is provided you in the timeline.
exactly. So here in this criteria, what we are doing is somebody else has done the interview, right? Somebody else has done the interview, but another person has to give the documents to the employees. Okay, another person has to give the employee. That means this particular person is giving task to this person.
Okay.
While we are coming to email alert, sender knows who has rejected, and user knows he has rejected. And apart from these two, management also knows who has rejected, right? Same
Mm-hmm.
way, task also will we can assign this task to somebody else. We can make it in some other way. For example, roles. So you are the coming to roles. CEO will be there, assistant CEO will be there. Correct, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
CEO will not take all the works. CEO
Yes.
he'll tell just either he has rejected or not. And once he rejected, either will CEO call to the employer and can he tell to them you are rejected? No, right?
No.
Somebody else will take the document and they can tell the result to the employees. So that means CEO assigning the task to assistant CEO, or else manager is assigning the task to his tech lead. Then tech lead will go
Okay.
to employee and he will complete that task. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. So now coming back to our workflow rule. So here to follow another task, what I have to do now?
Create the task first
Okay. Where I need to create the task?
in the workflow.
Okay.
Edit.
This is the workflow.
Okay.
Just think this is the workflow criteria,
Okay. Criteria. Okay.
and this will be workflow actions part.
Workflow details. Okay. Workflow
So
actions.
once
Okay.
you click on this, you'll be getting this form. If you click add workflow action, you can find this button.
Okay.
If you click on this, you'll be getting the actions.
Okay.
New email alert, new field update, new outbound message, select existing action. But
Okay.
what is our criteria now? I mean, what
We
is
had
the
to set it.
they have to
Field update.
no, you are getting wrong.
Email alert is there. Outbound message.
See, one more. These are the actions which we can do
Oh,
it in
task.
workflow rule.
Okay.
Field update, email alert, outbound message. But
Task.
here,
Yeah.
email
Yeah.
alert you can see, field update you can see, outbound message you can see, existing action in the sense these two. If you want to make it any field update again, you can go with existing action.
That means whatever we created in earlier.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
But here, task is not displaying.
Okay.
So what went wrong? Any idea?
Mm,
Okay, I'll give you small clue for you. Why are you getting here field update?
because we already did that one.
Because we have already created one field.
One field.
Okay. How we got email alert?
Same
We
thing.
have created
Okay.
one field over
Feel.
there. Okay.
Yeah.
So once we have created the field, then we can do the action. Same
Okay.
way, task in the sense, it will be related to entire object. So while we are
Entire.
creating the object itself, we need to give the permission for task and reports. So I told you this one early stage of our classes, beginning stage of our classes. Now I'll tell you again where we need to check this. Wantedly I haven't gave the access for this while I am creating this object. So just because of to show this one.
Okay.
So
Duplicate.
setup. So where can we find all the objects?
Objects.
Can you please guide me?
We can find and objects.
Okay, objects. Okay.
Create new field
Why do we
because
need to
we
create a new field?
are doing the new task, right?
Oh, no, no,
Oh,
no, no, one
employee.
minute. So just click on employee list. So just edit
Okay.
this. Once you edit this, at the time of employee object creation, what are the things we have done? We gave label,
Employee.
role label, and etc. etc. Data type we gave, and here optional features.
Okay.
You can
Okay.
see allow
Try.
reports, allow activities, track field and history, etc. etc. Now, if you click on allow reports, then you can create the reports on this particular object. If you click on activities, activities in the sense nothing but task.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and I'm saving this.
Oh. Okay.
Now you can just refresh this page. Now task is coming.
Yeah.
Got
Because
it?
we did
Yes.
enable about
Yes,
that.
because
Okay.
this one wantedly I have done this.
Okay.
Not only this one, while you are create, if you are not having this, 1 minute, again I'll show this. Okay, this one I have removed.
Okay.
So this particular object is not related to reports because whenever you want to create reports for that particular object, it won't allows.
Oh.
We can see this while we are learning about reports and dashboard content.
Okay.
Okay, so now just refresh and click on new
New
task.
task.
So here it is asking assign to whom we need to assign. So for this what we have to do?
Select the person.
Okay, select the person means how can we find out
We can check that.
where we can check?
Uh, hierarchy users.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. So here I am the user and apart from me CEO CFO. So
CEO.
I am the assistant CEO, right? So
Oh,
what I'm
yes.
doing is I'm the assistant CEO, so I can assign this to CFO.
CFO. Okay. Empowering. Okay. Shrikant.
Okay. So now going back to task, yes, here assign to
Shrikant.
Srikanth. Because here, if user is not there, it will not shows.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Hmm.
status in progress. Priority, I gave high. Subject,
Need to give the.
need to return the documents.
Okay.
And due date, we'll be having two types of task, either immediate actions or latter. As per due date, we can give. So rule trigger date it is not required now. Employees list created date. And plus how many days we can give?
5.
We can give 2 days of
Okay.
to show this. Okay. And here,
Is written documents to the candidates who are not selected, who are rejected. Okay.
okay. And here, what is the drawback?
We are not mentioning the name,
Okay, very good. Next,
particular criteria means
exactly. And one more.
rejected means what they are expecting.
Yes, and one more. We don't have option to BCC.
Yes, we are not giving the CC to.
Okay, so just say it's done. So
Okay.
task update also done, and it's getting late for me. And tomorrow I'll explain about task. In task related,
Okay.
we need to have we need to show two things in task related. So
Okay,
tomorrow we
sir.
can complete uh, email alert, sorry, task update and outbound message. So tomorrow we'll
Okay.
complete workflow rule, and very soon we'll complete process builder as well.
Okay, sir.
So process
Sir, when
build,
you are sharing, yeah, yeah, go ahead.
yeah, tell me.
No, no, when you're sharing the links, can you mention it? What is the main chapter we completed in that?
Yeah, okay, I'll mention that. So workflow rule, process builder, and process flows. These three
Okay.
things will comes under automation process. So in workflow rule,
Okay.
how many actions we can do it?
4,
In workflow rule, we can do it four. Coming to process builder, we can do nine.
9.
But in coming to process flow, not only these four actions and nine actions, we can add user interactions as well.
User interaction.
Okay,
Okay.
but process flow once again I'll explain to you. So that day, because of your priority, I explain
Yeah,
so and so. But process flow once again I'll explain so that you
sure.
can understand easily.
Sure.
Yeah, thank you, Vijay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.